Every order tells a story, but behind every successful delivery, there is something most people never see: a system working at scale with precision, consistency, and speed. At USAdrop, this is not just warehouse, this is the infrastructure powering modern e-commerce. Unlike traditional storage facilities, our warehouse operates as a fully integrated fulfillment system. Every process from inventory management to order dispatch is interconnected, ensuring seamless operations at every stage. This is where structure meets scalability. Once an order is placed, it enters a highly efficient sorting process. Each item is scanned, verified, and automatically routed to the correct pathway, reducing manual intervention and eliminating unnecessary delays. Precision is not an option, it is the standard. Our system operates in real time, connecting every action to a centralized data network. From order confirmation to shipment tracking, every step is visible, traceable, and fully synchronized. This level of control allows brands to operate with confidence and clarity. Efficiency is not just about speed, it's about consistency, accuracy, and the ability to scale without compromise. By combining automation with experienced operation terms, we ensure every order is handled with care and delivered with precision. Before any product leaves our facility, it undergoes a strict quality assurance process. We evaluate every detail, material, stitching, structure, and finish to ensure it meets the standards your brand represents. Because every shipment is more than a package, it is a reflection of your brand. Our storage system is designed for clarity and control. Each product is carefully categorized, labeled, and tracked, making retrieval fast, accurate, and efficient. A well-organized system is the foundation of a reliable supply chain. Once verified, products move into packaging phase, where attention to details remains essential. Every package is prepared with care, ensuring it arrives in the best possible condition, ready to represent your brand in the real world. At USAdrop, we don't just move products, we build the systems that allow brands to grow, scale, and compete globally. Because the fulfillment is not the final step. It is the experience that defines your brand. Follow our USAdrop YouTube channel to learn more details.